What their democracy has been doing, what their government has been doing, has changed the livelihood of their people remarkably. I have been going to China since 2003. In last 22 years, I have seen the improvement of the Chinese people's life in terms of education, in terms of food, in terms of roads and the infrastructures, in terms of the, the facilities that a government may provide, in terms of utilities, power, communication. The prosperity is everywhere. So from my point of view, that's where I see the democracy.
World process, people's democracy ensures that citizens participate in decision making at all levels, from local governance to national legislation. This approach enhances policy effectiveness by incorporating public opinion throughout the governance process.
China's whole process, people's democracy, emphasizes a broader, more continuous involvement of the people. This kind of political system that China adopted is very much suited to its own culture, its own dynamics, its own population, and its own historical underpinning. So I think it works for China.